transform a text prompt into a dynamic video sequence with tools like Runway. We learned to craft stunning visuals for thumbnails and B-roll using MIDJOURNEY, turning abstract concepts into compelling art. We composed original music with Suno, giving our projects a unique sonic identity. We gave our scripts a voice with ELEVENLABS, exploring the nuances of vocal delivery. And we streamlined our post-production workflow with text-based editors like Descript, making editing as intuitive as correcting a document. We then connected these individual points of light into a single cohesive workflow, a pipeline that demonstrates how these technologies can work in concert. This isn't about automation for its own sake. It's about building a system, a personal content engine that supports your creative vision, rather than constraining it. The core principle that underpins this entire revolution is one of augmentation. Your creativity, your voice, and your unique perspective remain the most critical elements. These tools don't write the story for you, they help you tell it more vividly. Used with intention, these systems accelerate craftsmanship without replacing it, keeping you focused on story, audience, and impact. This shift requires a new mindset. It asks us to become creative directors and systems thinkers. Instead of spending hours searching for the right stock clip, you now spend minutes crafting the perfect prompt to generate a clip that doesn't exist anywhere else. Instead of manually cutting out every and you let an algorithm handle the first pass, freeing you to focus on pacing and narrative flow. This is a fundamental change in how we approach our work. The creators who thrive in this new era won't be the ones who can click the fastest, but the ones who can think the clearest. They will be the strategists, the storytellers, and the visionaries who learn to effectively guide these powerful systems. But with great power comes the need for great responsibility. As we've discussed, the ethical considerations surrounding AI are not trivial. Issues of copyright, data privacy, and the potential for misuse are real and require our constant attention. The most successful creators will be those who use these tools with integrity and transparency. They will respect intellectual property, give credit where it's due, and use technology to elevate their craft, not to cut corners or deceive their audience. Authenticity remains your most valuable asset, and no amount of automation can replace a genuine human connection. The fear that AI will make creativity obsolete is understandable, but ultimately misplaced. History shows that every major technological leap, from the printing press, to the camera to the internet, was met with similar anxieties. Each time, technology didn't destroy creativity, it democratized it. It lowered the barrier to entry and opened up new avenues for expression. AI is no different. It is a tool that once required a full production studio. It empowers those with powerful ideas but limited resources to bring their visions to life. AI will change the creative landscape. It already has. The real question is how you will adapt and what you will build with these new capabilities. The biggest creators of tomorrow aren't waiting for permission. They aren't waiting for the technology to be perfect. They are quietly learning, experimenting, and integrating these tools into their workflows right now. While much of the world is still just scrolling, they understand that the advantage lies not in having the tools, but in knowing how to use them. If you want to be part of that group, to stay ahead of the curve and continue mastering the art and science of modern creation, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. We will continue to demystify these technologies, share advanced workflows, and explore the future of content together. Your perspective is also incredibly valuable. In the comments below, I'd love to know, which of the tools or concepts we covered today surprised you the most? Was it the ability to generate video from text, compose music on the fly, or edit audio with the precision of a word processor? Your insights help shape our future content. And finally, if you found this guide valuable, consider sharing it with another creator. The best way to master a skill is to learn it, apply it, and then teach it. By sharing this knowledge, you not only help someone else on their journey, but you also solidify your own understanding. The creative world is changing fast. Let's navigate it together.